Hi guys, welcome to Miss Lily's Tech Talk channel. Let's start with product first. Meet Body Restore Shower Steamers, your shower's new best friend. Packed in a 6-pack, it's like a spa in a box. Perfect for gifting. Think Christmas, birthdays, or white elephant fun. Aromatherapy in your shower? Yes, it's like magic, but real. Targeted for the US, because everyone deserves a luxurious shower. Each steamer is a mini vacation, no passport needed. Great for travel essentials, your suitcase will thank you. Bath bombs? More like bath dynamite for your senses. For moms, friends, or yourself, because self-care is essential. Unwrap relaxation with every steamer, like a gift to your soul. Confidence in every fizz, because data says relaxation is key. Body Restore, turning showers into aromatic adventures daily. Drop a like and subscribe my channel. Now there is our second product. Ever opened a drawer and found chaos staring back at you? I once found a spoon in my sock drawer. True story. That's when I realized my drawers needed serious organizing help. Enter the WowBox 25 PCs, my drawer's new best friend. These clear organizers are like little superheroes for your stuff. 4 different sizes, because one size definitely does not fit all. Perfect for makeup, jewelry, or that random kitchen gadget collection. Even my bathroom looks like it belongs in a magazine now. And guess what? Free delivery makes it even sweet. So, if your drawers look like mine did, get the WowBox. Because a spoon belongs in the kitchen, not with your socks. Now here is the best seller on Amazon, and our third product. Ever struggled with a clogged toilet right before guests arrive? Nightmare. I was browsing online, desperate for a solution to my plumbing woes. Stumbled upon the Imsar Siga toilet plunger and bull brush combo. The sleek stainless steel holder instantly caught my attention. So chic. Heavy-duty rubber plunger promised to tackle even the toughest clogs. Tried it once, and my bathroom was back to normal in minutes. No more embarrassing moments or frantic calls to plumbers. Relief! Its ergonomic handle makes unclogging drains surprisingly easy and efficient. Compact design ensures it fits discreetly in any bathroom corner. Why struggle with clogged drains when a solution is just a click away? Imagine a stress-free bathroom experience. Isn't that what we all want? Get yours now on Amazon with free delivery. Don't wait! If you want to buy anything, visit description box now, our fourth product. Tired of cluttered cabinets and hard-to-reach cleaning supplies? Struggling with limited under-sink storage space in your kitchen or bathroom? Introducing the Reel-In Under-Sink Organizer, your storage solution. This organizer features a 2-tier sliding design for maximum space efficiency. Easily access cleaning supplies with smooth sliding drawers and adjustable shelves. No more bending or searching for items buried in the back. Transform cluttered spaces into organized, accessible storage areas effortlessly. Simple installation means you can start organizing in minutes. Perfect for homeowners seeking efficient kitchen and bathroom organization. Enjoy a clutter-free, organized home with the Reel-In Under-Sink Organizer. Maximize your storage space and simplify your daily routine today. Here is our fifth product. Meet the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen. Your new smart home buddy. It's like a tech-savvy genie, granting your voice-controlled wishes. In sleek charcoal, it fits in like a ninja in the night. Packed with Alexa, it's your personal assistant without the coffee runs. Enjoy 360-degree sound, like a concert in a ping-pong ball. Control your smart home from lights to locks with a whisper. It's not just smart, it's Einstein with a sense of humor. Compact design, big impact, like a tiny dynamo in your living room. Perfect for techies, newbies, and everyone in between. Shop today and let Echo Dot 5th Gen redefine your home experience. Now our last and widely popular product is here. Looking for a smart way to secure your home? Meet Blink Video Doorbell. Reason 1. Enjoy crystal clear HD video day and night. Reason 2. Communicate easily with 2-way audio, perfect for any situation. Reason 3. Get instant motion and chime alerts on your phone. Plus, it's Alexa-enabled for seamless smart home integration. Choose wired or wire-free installation to suit your needs. ideal for tech-savvy homeowners seeking reliable security solutions. Enhance your home security with this easy-to-install doorbell. Don't miss out on peace of mind and convenience. Ready to upgrade your home security? Click the link to learn more.